Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Marble theme on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook Messenger application. Then select the chat. Then tap on the person's profile icon. Select Theme option. Scroll down until you find the Marbles theme. Tap on it. Then tap on the Change button. Tap on Select button. And this is how you can activate the Marbles theme on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.